Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah nah nah. Oh yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man.
Hey you guys, and thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's with a company that I haven't worked with in the longest time, and I'm so excited that we are back and getting some content together for you guys here on the channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got some good stuff coming on the channel that you don't want to miss out on. All right, you guys, so today we do have a new wig from Zury. Yes, Zury. And yep, today's wig is from the Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class collection for the sister wig, Sis sister wig. And this one is called Etsy in number 1B. So this one looks like its claim to fame is a flawless pre-tweezed hairline, naturally blended edges. It's a lace front hand-tied wig, and it can be can have heat up to 400 degrees. So this one looks like it's going to be super cute. Let's take it out the package and see what we're working with here. So looks like this hairline is definitely bomb, and the lace color is literally like perfect. Look at that lace color. That's bomb. That's definitely bomb right there. And you can already see like the hairline is dope. It does come with some baby hairs already. Let's look at the cap construction. So it is this type of cap construction that I've been seeing a lot lately. It is a lace part, so it has a parting space, but it also has like a little bit of a lace frontal as well. Now the frontal section looks like it's maybe only like a ½ inch, and then you have your part that you can work with. So it's not like a lace frontal completely all the way around, but you do have some hairline to work with, and I definitely like that. I love that actually. And it looks like the part is on the side. It's not a middle part, it is a side part. You do have 2 small combs at the front, 1 larger comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So I'm going to, and it looks like it has some nice like soft waves. It feels nice and full as well. The density feels good on this one. So I'm going to cut the lace off. I don't need to spray any lace tint spray because it looks really, really perfect in terms of the color. I'm going to go ahead and pop this wig on.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. Ah, this body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. That thing where I go feel late, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah nah nah. Oh yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Damn me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Damn me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me love. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me love. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man point instrumental. Even your one time. It's okay. Bad man see me take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up.
It's feet kills. So I just wanted to come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this wig. I really like it. I think it's really cute and versatile. I do wish that the side part was a little deeper, or it was just a middle part. I feel like the part is just like awkwardly to the side. It's not like deep enough for my taste, but I love the waves. I love the curl pattern. I love the hairline. It looks really natural and really pretty. Of course, I overdo it with my baby hairs. You do not have to do that. This is just the way that I like to wear my baby hairs. Even when I wear my baby hairs in my own natural hair, I do the most. So if you guys like the jewelry, it is available on my website. And if you like the baby hair scarf that I use to lay down my edges, that is also handmade by me and is available on my site. So you can head over to GLEEmade.com and check out everything I have to offer over there. If you like this unit, I will leave some links down below to where you can grab it. Thanks again so much, Zury, for sending this wig over. And yeah, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. So overall, I will say that this wig is Dragoness approved. So yeah, definitely check the link down below if you want to check out this unit. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Any man let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, put me yard, see me put me yard.